In this video, we're going to talk about some important question sets of CBAC Class 10 Science. So question 1, what are oxidation and reduction reaction? So normally oxidation is a gain of oxygen and reduction is a loss of oxygen. So from the given example, that is the extraction of iron from its ore, we see that both reduction and the oxidations are going on side by side and is also known as the redox reaction. So oxidation agent is also a substance which oxidizes something else. Now from the given example, we see that the iron trioxide is considered to be the oxidizing agent, while the carbon monoxide is considered to be the reducing agent. Moving to question 2, what happens when an acid reacts with a metal? So here basically from the example, we see that when nitric acid reacts to calcium, we gain calcium nitrate and hydrogen. So here nitric acid acts as an acid while calcium acts as a metal. So profoundly they produce salts and hydrogen. So the salt that is produced depends upon which acid and which metal should react. Now the reaction of a metal with acid gets faster the more reactive it is. Question 3. Write the equation for the chemical reaction. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride. State whether it is a balanced equation or not. So when hydrogens react with chlorine, hydrogen chloride is formed. Hydrogen chloride is a gas and has a formula of HCl. So due to the presence of 2 in front of the HCl indicates that the equation is balanced. What are covalent bonds? Name an element which forms such type of bond with itself and some other elements. So we already know that a covalent bond is a bond which bears electrons and others shared between 2 atoms. It is also known as a molecular bond, and such type of example would be a carbon. So carbon, we already know that it has 4 electrons in its outer shell, has given its ability to form innumerable molecules and bonds. So this is the reason why carbon has so many elements like nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. and allotropes. So it is because a carbon atom is in the most favorable situations to form a covalent bond. Question 4. State a reason why rainwater is a good conductor of electricity while distilled water is a bad conductor of electricity. So here rainwaters, we already know that rainwater are charged when they move through waters, and electricity is able to flow through the liquid. While in distilled water, however, there are no impurities and therefore no ions. There are only neutral molecules, and these neutral molecules don't have any charge. And so, presence of ions makes rainwater a good conductor of electricity, while absence of ions makes distilled water a bad conductor of electricity. Name one characteristic of metals that allows it to be easily flattened into thin sheets. Give an example of such metals. So, malleability is one characteristic of metals that allows it to be easily flattened into thin sheets. Now, malleability is a physical property of metals that defines their ability to be hammered, braced, or rolled into thin sheets without breaking. Now, in other words, it is also a property of a metal to deform under compressions or and take on a new shape. So such example would be coal, silver, iron, aluminium, copper, tin, etc. Question 5. Discuss the importance of Darwin's theory of evolution and Mendel's experiments. So Darwin's theory, which covers the topic of evolution, explains how life on Earth evolves from simple to more complex form, while Mendel's experiments talks about how certain traits are inherited from one generation to next. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.